In this video, I'm going to talk about research information system. As we are all know that all the universities are carrying out research in various disciplines like arts, science, commerce and other disciplines. Now, one important factor to be known is we have lack of integration in identifying the research information. That means who are doing research on what topic, in which department the experts or subject experts are doing research. Such kind of efforts to unite the information about researchers and the research topics in universities is not yet has been done. So it is very important to have the research information, because if we know on what topics the researchers has been carried out, and who are the researcher carrying out the research, by knowing that we can easily identify the research gap. That means, so we can easily know on what topics the researchers have not been done yet. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ untouched by the researchers. So in order to know that, we should know on what topics researches have been done or carried out. So it is very important to have the research information. So moreover, suppose if you want to create a database of the researchers to know the areas of researches has been carried out by various universities, or the subject wise research carried out by different universities, most prolific authors are researchers. That means who has produced more number of articles, who are doing PhD on different topics. So in order to know these things, we need to have a database. So in order to create the database, it is a thing where manual data entry has to be done. So it is a tedious task to create the researchers database. So manual data entry is quite difficult. So that's why a research information system help us to design and develop a database of researchers which are who are carrying out the research activities. And moreover, if one university is creating a database, suppose a person in the department is associated or collaborated with other universities, if both the universities create the database, then duplication of work is possible. So in order to minimize the duplication and to reduce the manual data entry, we need research information systems. And moreover, so research reporting system is important. So because nowadays many universities are going for NAC ranking systems. So in order to participate in those systems, universities need to have the research reports. That means how much the how much publications one university is having, and what are the productivity of teachers and research scholars, on which topic so many articles have been published. Such information need to be identified, and it should be reported. So in order to create the reports on research and researchers, so in a research information system is required. So among them, if you see the research information systems, we have so many such research information systems like Pure, Vivo, Converis, and in Indian scenario we have Vidwan. Let's see about Pure. Pure is the product of Elsevier Publishers. So it covers research oriented information on authors, on institutions, those involved in the research activities, and the publishers. And it can be used by the universities and individuals as well. So Pure contains the information on academic and research staff. Suppose in our university, so many teachers are doing research, so many research scholars are involved in the research activities. So by using Pure, we can easily identify, so in a particular department, how many research scholars are working, or how many teachers are publishing the research papers on a particular topic. And it also tells about the university structure. Then we can easily identify the research grant information. In order to carry out research, we need fund. So many agencies provide fund to the researchers and research institutions, those who are involved in the research. So where we can get the grants, that information is available on Pure. and we can easily identify the research guides, list of research guides. Suppose if one want to conduct research on physics topic, so he can easily identify his interested area, and then he can identify the related guide who can guide him on his topic. And moreover, research applications for writing proposals and the awards for the researchers, such details are available on Pure. And also it tells about the indicators of research, so how many publications have been carried out, what are the citation level, and what are the collaboration between the institutions. Suppose Coimbatore University is collaborated with Mysore University, Mangalore University, or any foreign universities. So, what kind of collaboration and at what level the collaboration has been developed? Such information can be identified by Pure. And Pure also give information about events such as conferences and workshops and research oriented events. It is an example of Pure page where a person called Wendy Larner has created her own profile. So in this picture, as we can see, she is telling about her research and her CV and profile, her supervision to the research candidates, and as we can see, the research output in the bracket, it has been mentioned like 105 papers have been published by this person, and she belongs to some university of Bristol. And on the left hand side, as we can see, research output, activities, projects, impacts, application and funding. So all these information about this particular author is available, and she has created her own profile by using Pure. So by using Pure, we can get the information about an expert. And moreover, suppose a person is publishing information or research articles on in different journals. Suppose here Chris Robertson has published so many articles. Imagine his name is also available on Web of Science, but his name is mentioned as C. Robertson. So this person can identify himself on the Web of Science database by using Pure, and then he can correlate with all his publications. And this picture shows the collaboration. So Paul Weaver is the person. He has collaborated with so many people. He has combinedly worked for research with so many people. So this lines shows his collaboration strength. Paul Weaver is collaborated with Stephen Dawes and Samuel Lally and so many people, and he is also collaborated with so many funding agencies. He is also collaborated with institutions. Thus, book symbols provide the book symbol provide the information about institutions, whereas the bag symbol is providing the information about his collaboration with the institutions, and the person symbol is providing information about the collaborated authors. So reporting model of Pure is useful to get the overall picture of the university. So in the matrix analysis, as we can see, so faculty of science published so many articles during a particular period of time, followed by faculty of engineering and faculty of law, whereas table analysis provide the faculty of science and authors, which is cross tabulated by author's gender. So what is the productivity of male and female researchers? That kind of report is available. And in the listing, in a particular year on a particular date, how many articles have been published by the institution. So that information is also available on Pure. And another research information system is Converis, which is the product of Web of Science, which also have the information about research. So this is one thing. If you go through the points, you can understand. So it also have the information about research and the personal profiles and curriculum materials. Converis, so this picture shows the author productivity, and Vivo is the product of Web of Science. The institutions using Web of Science database can use the Vivo for creating personal profiles. So because Web of Science is a huge database, as you know, more than 20,000 peer reviewed journals have been indexed in Web of Science, across 250 disciplines, and it also has so many academic institutions, like more than 8,000 institutions are using Web of Science database. And then, as you can see, there are 617 books, book chapters, journals. So research areas have been identified by Web of Science. If someone is using Web of Science, then Vivo helps to create the profile. So this is an example of the author collaboration. Griffith Andrew is collaborated with so many people. So this picture shows the strength of his collaboration. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಥರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಗ್ರಿಫಿತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ರ್ಯೂ, year wise publication has been provided, and co-authors. So Friedman Thomas ಅನ್ನೋನು 46 ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಿಫಿತ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಕೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋನು 3 ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಚ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ವಿವೋ. ಸೊ ಇದು ವೆಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಿಂದ ಡೇಟಾನ ಫೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ create the personal profiles for subject experts. It helps to identify the peer reviewers for articles and research proposals. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಆಟೋಮೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ರಿವ್ಯೂವಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಅವರ ಹೆಚ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು, I10 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. So here is the example of Kuvempu University, where we can see the list of professors and teachers working in Kuvempu University, and their personal profiles have been created. So let's see the personal profile of our teacher. So here, as we see, sir has publication from 1990 to 2019, and he has 61 articles, 78 conference papers, 15 books and 2 projects, and with one score is being displayed here. And in the picture, so collaboration is also provided, and on the right hand side, so we can see the related searches, and on the left hand side we can see his profile, personal information, expertise, experience. So these kind of research information systems help us to know about the research trend, the persons involved in the research activities, and the productivity of the authors as well as universities. ಸೊ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು, ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್.